Do you brush your teeth adequately every day? The fact is that close to 3.5 billion people worldwide are affected by oral diseases, and almost 4 out of 5 people do not brush properly. To cultivate dental-level brushing habits, usmile developed Future One. It's the first time that the usmile team has incorporated home automation-level AI technology into a powered toothbrush. An AI-powered sonic toothbrush designed to be an oral care coach, aiming to brighten smiles for everyone with healthier gums and teeth. With the 6 built-in AI-powered chipsets, Future One learns and adapts to your personal brushing style with exceptional quality and durability. 3 of the chips are made for smart and intuitive brushing, along with the Smart app. Future One provides helpful feedback via 360-degree surrounding 3D images. From sensitive care to deep cleaning, Future One has 8 brushing modes, covering your daily cleaning needs so that everyone can enjoy the perfect cleaning experience. Future One's power algorithm utilizes 3 innovative high-tech chips to achieve incredible battery efficiency that lets it operate up to 365 days after a full charge. Future One can remove up to 95.81% of plaque with a highly effective magnetic levitation sonic motor and diamond clean brush heads. Being a strategic DuPont partner, a revolutionary filament design is co-developed to ensure safe and sound cleaning. Future One also comes with a sleek, premium travel case designed for modern-day needs that stores and sterilizes the brush heads. Are you worried about messing with stuff and charging frequently? The powerful Future One can help you stay away from all these awkward situations. After 10,000 tests over the last 3 years, usmile finally achieved its first AI-powered toothbrush, the Future One, your at-home dentist for advanced oral care. Get it on Kickstarter now.
Today, we are always moving. There's the travel, the adventures, the bustle of the city. But there's an essential product that we are unable to bring with us, our toothbrush. Bulky and dirty, it complicates brushing. So, we designed a toothbrush that moves with us. Introducing POLO, the ultimate toothbrush for life on the go. POLO combines toothpaste and brush in a compact yet elegant shell. Using POLO is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply pop the top, pull and paste, and you're ready to brush. POLO comes with a built-in toothpaste pump that will last you about 50 washes. But if you ever run out, you can easily insert a new banale pump, refill with your own paste, or insert any travel pack. Brush heads carry twice as many bristles as an average brush and are offered in 3 levels of softness. Brush and paste fit in an ultra-portable case, which weighs less than 2 ounces. The compact design makes POLO light and, most importantly, airport friendly. The case is also designed to stand up on its own, protecting your brush from bacteria without a holder or stand. POLO can be washed in the sink, dishwasher, or even a glass of water. Wherever you go, it is easy to keep POLO as clean as possible. We're based in Milan, and we're proud to say that our products are designed and made 100%. Despite all these features, we've yet to get to our favorite. The typical consumer will change their brush every 3 months, throwing away about 20 brushes every 5 years. Thanks to outdated plastic, those 20 brushes will last a combined 9,000 years in the landfill. With our new brush, we wanted to make a difference. POLO is crafted with state-of-the-art, high-tech, biodegradable plastics that will completely break down in a landfill after only 5 years, or 90 times faster than a typical brush. With POLO, we really have created a brush that you can feel good about. At its core, POLO stands for sustainability, for beauty, for functionality, and most of all, great brushing. Help us make POLO a reality and begin brushing your way to a better world. Pre-order now, only on Kickstarter.
This is John, and back in 2019, he revolutionized how we eat on the go, plastic-free. 3 years on and having served more than 100,000 loyal eco-warriors, John thought, what's next? And just like Archimedes had his legendary Eureka moment while taking a bath, John had his while brushing. An individual in the US uses all this plastic every year, and it adds up to a lot, a whole lot. And that's when the bulb flashed. We set out on a mission to fit plastic-free versions of all of these in this. Introducing KIF, the world's first collapsible, portable, and zero-waste oral care system. KIF is made with titanium and is designed to outlast your teeth, while the bristles are made out of castor oil, which is soft, vegan, and the most eco-friendly option available. Measuring just 3.1 by 1.4 inches, KIF has 3 compartments. One for the brush, one for toothpaste tabs, and at the base there's a cleverly hidden drawer that contains floss. And that's not all. The brush head comes with a replaceable silicone jacket that acts as a cushion and a tongue scraper for a squeaky clean tongue. Using KIF is easy. Just assemble the brush, pop a tab in your mouth, and brush like you normally do. And every 3 months when it's time to change the brush, simply pop the brush head out and replace with a new one. Refills will be available for all early backers on our website for great lifetime discounted prices. KIF weighs about 20 grams and is ergonomically designed with carefully placed patterns for firm grip. Prefer a thick grip? Just slide on the silicone grip you get as standard with your KIF. Easy. KIF is TSA compliant and packs small. Fits perfectly in your pocket and bag and is tailored for brushing in the office, at home, and wherever life takes you. We actually mean wherever. So let's pledge to hashtag brush responsibly by choosing a brush for life.
Toothbrushes are products we use from our earliest steps in life until our very last. In one single year, over 1 billion plastic toothbrushes are thrown away in the U.S. Of those 1 billion, 99% are made of plastic, which takes up to 400 years to decompose. This plastic chokes our rivers, oceans, dams. Introducing ATYS Toothbrush. We've spent countless hours creating a sustainable toothbrush that does not compromise design and quality. What makes us unique? Our toothbrush bristles have a unique structure. How important is a quality toothbrush as an indispensable tool in daily oral hygiene? Unfortunately, many people continue to use the wrong toothbrush without knowing their teeth and gums. ATYS offers 3 unique brush heads engineered by dentists with years of experience in the industry. The double-layer bristles combine 2 different bristles that efficiently remove plaque simultaneously. The ultra-soft bristles provide soft and easy plaque removal that is gentle on the gums. Brush heads are made of biodegradable plastic, which will fully biodegrade in only 6 months. ATYS works to provide high-quality toothbrushes. Handles are CNC milled from 1 solid piece of aluminum. Anodized aluminum won't break, won't chip. By using a stainless steel pen, the head will stay connected safely. ATYS toothbrush sports a reusable handle and a brush head that can be replaced without guilt. By making sure that you only replace the top piece of the toothbrush, you can reduce 80% of plastic waste. Let's change ugly plastic toothbrushes for beautiful, reusable toothbrushes that fulfill both design and quality. The ATYS travel case is made from 100% vegan PU leather. Not only is it elegant in design, but it is also waterproof. Perfect for traveling. Start and end your day sustainably with the ATYS toothbrush.